Welcome back to Crypto Starter YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to create a new account on MEXC, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from signing up to securing your account. Let's get started. So, the first step is to open your preferred web browser and go to the official MEXC website. Make sure you are on the correct URL, www.mexc.com. Always double check the URL to avoid phishing sites. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign up button, usually located to the top right corner of the screen. So let's do this now. I'm writing to my Google MEXC. It's better not to click on the ads. Here, this is an ad, and this is the organic result. Here you can see on the bottom left the URL. So I'm clicking. So we are on the MEXC website, and here is where you can write your email and press the sign up button and follow the whole process. After filling your details, you'll need to agree to MEXC terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to read through these documents to understand how your data will be used. Once you've agreed, click sign up to proceed. Next things is you want to verify your email and your phone number. After signing up, MEXC will send you a verification code to your email or phone. Check your inbox or messages, enter the code on the verification page and click submit. This step ensures that your account is secure and that you have access to the contact information you provided. Security is crucial when dealing with cryptocurrencies. To protect your account, MEXC requires you to enable two-factor authentication. You can use apps like Google Authenticator. This whole setup is an easy process, and you can follow the steps to get a fully functional account on MEXC. Next, you will have to identify your verification, which is KYC. While MEXC allows you to start trading without completing KYC, verify your identity increases your account security and unlocks higher withdrawal limits. You have to go to your account settings and select verification. Choose the level of verification you want to complete. Upload the required documents such as government issue ID, proof of address, and a selfie. Wait for MEXC to review and upload your documents. This process usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. Once verified, you will have full access to all features on the platform.